Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make it so that for every cell in a particular column in Google Sheet, you can select a value from a drop-down menu. So we come over to here, click on Data, go to Data Validation. Here for our cell range, we'll put starting from A1, put a colon, and then just an A. This will make it so that this applies to the entire A column. Then we're going to change this list from a range. We're going to go down to list of items and now just separate your various options by commas. So we'll put apple, orange, banana. Now down here on invalid data, you can either leave it as is, show warning, which means that you'll still be able to enter additional values that are not in this list, or if you want to force every value in each cell of the column to have one of these values, unless it's empty, then go over to click Reject Input. That's what we're going to do. Click on Save, and now you can see this little arrow on every cell of the A column. And when we click on one, you'll see we have our three options: apple, orange, banana. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.